guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another foundation review. So today I am testing out this Max Factor foundation. This is the Max Factor Lasting Performance Touch Proof Foundation. So apparently I did some research online and this is supposed to be a nice long lasting, transfer proof, touch proof, really wearable foundation. So I thought, oh, I want to give that a try. So I've got the shade 100 Fair. I bought it from Boots. I think it was about $8.99. So really affordable. I've got a feeling that this shade is a bit too dark, but it was the palest one that they did. So we just have to make it work. And this says it provides long lasting and natural look. And that's pretty much all it says on the packaging. So it just says that it's supposed to be really long lasting. So it doesn't give you any other information on the packaging. That's literally it. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get started. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to spray my face using the Barry Flawless Hydro Fix Primer Water. So I think that this foundation is a pretty old foundation. I think it's been around for quite a while. There wasn't a huge shade range. I bought it from Boots, but you can get it on Amazon, you can get it from Superdrug. But the shade range is not great. Like, I personally think that this is going to be too dark. So really they should have gone maybe a shade or two lighter. But it might be okay, so we'll have to wait and see. I'm a very pale person anyway. So we'll just have to wait and see. So I'm going to be using the It Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Flawless Foundation Brush to apply this. This is my favourite foundation brush. So yeah, let's give it a go. Okay, so it's a squeezy, squirty foundation. So yeah, let's apply it. Okay, so I did one squeeze of it initially, and then I did an extra squeeze just to add a little bit more coverage to my cheeks and my nose. I don't know why, but it hasn't really covered some of the redness on my nose. So I wouldn't say it's full coverage. I'd probably say medium coverage. I actually think it looks like a really natural finish. It looks quite hydrating, quite dewy. Which is nice for this time of year, and also I have a bit of dry skin going on, so it's actually quite nice to have a bit of a hydrating foundation. But I will set it with powder anyway because I get very oily in my T-zone throughout the day. But the way it's looking at the moment is very nice. The colour match is not perfect, but I can definitely get away with it with my hair down. I don't know if I can with my hair up. But yeah, I think it looks really natural on my face. There's not a huge amount of coverage to it. I'd probably even say light to medium because you can still see the redness on my cheeks and my nose. But I actually really like the finish of it. I think for this time of year as well, a really natural glowy foundation is really nice. So far as a first impression, this definitely gets a thumbs up. So I'm going to finish off the rest of my makeup off camera now, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts. Okay, so I finished up all of my makeup and my skin looks so natural. I love the way that it looks. There's no dry patches on my skin. My skin looks nice and fresh and hydrated, but also now it's matte because I have set it with powder, but it still looks really hydrated and fresh. It doesn't look dry or cakey or anything. It looks really nice. So as a first impressions go, this definitely is impressing me. It's definitely getting a thumbs up. I love how natural it looks on my skin. I kind of don't even feel like I'm wearing foundation. I feel like I'm wearing like a moisturizer, like a tinted moisturizer, and that's how it kind of looks as well. It looks really natural on my skin. So for an $8.99 foundation, that is pretty good. Now this foundation claims to last a long time. It's called Lasting Performance and it says long lasting natural makeup. So I will be wearing this throughout the day like normal with my foundation reviews. and I will check back in with you guys after 2 hours, 6 hours and 8 hours of wearing the foundation, and I'll film throughout the day to let you know how it's looking, how it's feeling and my thoughts. But so far it's very good. I definitely have high hopes now for this to last and look this good throughout the day. I don't even think the colour match is that bad. I think it's pretty good. I don't know if I could get away with it with my hair tied up. Maybe we'll have to test that out today. But yeah, I'm really liking it. So I will leave it now on for 2 hours, and then I will check back in with you guys and I'll let you know how it's looking then. So see you then. Okay, so it's been 2 hours now of wearing the foundation, and I honestly can't notice any difference. It still looks fresh, still looks natural, still looks exactly the same. So far so good. It has only been 2 hours, so you're not going to notice a huge amount of change in 2 hours, but it's looking really fresh on my face. So far so good. So I'll see you in another 4 hours time and we'll see how it's looking then. So see you then. Okay, so it's been 6 hours now wearing the foundation, and I just checked in the mirror, and the only difference is that I'm slightly more dewy, slightly more glowy, just because my natural oily skin is coming through. But other than that, it looks exactly the same. And after wearing the foundation for 6 hours, you don't expect it to look exactly the same as it did when you first applied it. But yeah, like I said, I'm just slightly more glowy on my cheeks, my forehead and my nose. But other than that, it still looks amazing. It's crazy how much I seem to love this foundation. So yeah, it's looking really, really good. But I am going to keep it on for another few more hours, 2 more hours. Just to see if it lasts throughout the day. It's living up to its name at the moment. It definitely is really lasting, so that's really good. So yeah, I'll see you in 2 hours time and we'll see how it's looking then. Okay, so it's been 8 hours now wearing the foundation, and I'm in just total shock because it still looks so fresh, so natural. It just looks like as if I've just applied it. I mean, the only difference is I'm slightly oily, but normally by now I'm extremely oily, but I'm not. So it's just baffled me, this has. It's just really crazy at how it looks really similar to how it did when it just started. So it definitely is a lasting performance foundation. I'm in total shock. I just think it's a really good foundation. I can't believe how good it still looks even after 8 hours of wear. So wow, yeah, this definitely gets a massive thumbs up from me. So yeah, really good foundation. So yeah, that completes this video. This was my review of the Max Factor Lasting Performance foundation. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.